What's up guys, Andrew here. In this video, I want to show you how you can easily test multiple titles on YouTube. Now, as you can see here, I'm in a little, let's say, channel right here, right? And if I would like to test multiple titles of a specific video, then you want to go ahead and go to content on the left side. So once you're in content, hover over the video that you have there on the YouTube. For example, it could be this one, it could be this one, whichever. The video can be public, the video can be scheduled. It doesn't matter, right? You're able to test it. So let's use, for example, this option right here. And what we can do is click on the edit or the pencil icon. And right here, you will see let's say this section where you can enter your video title. Now you will see below this where it shows that you have A/B testing, and you can click on that. Once you click on this, you have the full A/B testing window appear where you will see the first title. That's the first thing that you will see. And here you can put a second title, a third title, and then you're able to put test. I'm going to do something like this and something like this. Well, I'm not going to submit that, but you get the general idea. Once you fill them in, then you have set. And what is going to happen is that the YouTube will go ahead and start to test these different titles. Now, you also have this on the thumbnails as well, so you can do thumbnails only or title and thumbnails. I like to use both, and so when you go to both, you have the title and you have the thumbnail, and you can do a second set here and you can do a second set here. This is so useful because if you're not sure what works, you don't have to limit to just the one thumbnail and title. You can mix and you can test, right? Only thing that happens is that when you pair a title with a thumbnail, then those combination actually work. So if you are sure about your thumbnail, but you're not sure about the title, then you can do titles. Or if you're sure about the title, but you're not sure about the thumbnail, you can do thumbnails only, right? And if you not sure about both combinations, right, you can basically work with a set of three. And so once you fill in each, then you click set and just wait for the magic to happen. And that's pretty much it. Very easy and very simple.